don't have a theme song. I don't have a theme song.
Stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping.
Hey guys, so I got a couple of things in the mail over the last couple of days, and I just wanted to hop on video really quick to show you what we got. First in today, we got the Beauty Bay and Nikkie Tutorials eyeshadow palette. Super cute, way bigger than I thought it was. And it came with this really cute, what is this? A pop socket? The thing that goes on the back of your phone. So it came with this, and this palette is so cute. I swatched the shimmers already. Oh, I love them. So this is the palette. We'll go into detail on that here in just a second. And then yesterday we got our Fenty Skin order. Wow, I just happened to be on the website when they were doing the like Labor Day sale. Is that what it was? Anyways, so I got this bag for free, and then I got a mascara and a handheld mirror, like a compact, along with the skin order. So I was really excited. This is cute. I don't take my makeup anywhere, but I like this. This might be a purse. So we're gonna go back over to the Nikkie Tutorials palette and open her up. So on the left side, I keep trying not to get the mirror in. So on the left side, we have the more pastel colors. And let me tell you, what is she called? Pride. This pink here, the shimmer. Oh my God, I love her. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I smudged the swatches on the back of my hand, so I'm gonna have to redo those. But this is so cute. I am in love, and these pans are bigger than I thought. I thought they were like tinier squares, but this is a decent size. So I love that. We're gonna go ahead and open the dark side. Dun dun dun. No, I'm just kidding. So this is the deeper, darker side of the palette, which has a really, really nice brown and very deep purple. And we love that. 'Tis the season for brown, girl. We have a really cute shimmer on this side. My favorite is All In, and it's right above the blue there. The camera is not doing her justice. She is gorgeous. And that is the deep side. And I can open them both. How many shades is in here? I don't remember. Anyways, so here is everything open together. Oh, just kidding. There it is. So this is everything. This is cute. This is cute. I was worried, but this is cute. I like this. So there's that. And I don't know, how do you get this thing to expand? How do you get this thing to expand? This thing? I don't know, but it's cute. It may go on the back of my iPhone, maybe. On the case, because I drop my phone a lot. So there's that. And that's all for the Nikkie and Beauty Bay. And we'll get into Fenty. Dun, 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 dun. And I shoved everything in this bag. First of all, I love that everything in the skin department is this really cute like lavender purple color. But I just want you to know, I am not smart. I feel like I've watched so many tutorials on the Fenty Skin products, and I still went to wash my face and didn't realize that it only opens like this. Like, I kept trying to unscrew the lid. Sorry, I literally just opened it yesterday, so I didn't take that sticker off. But you break the seal, and I'm thinking like, unscrew this so that we can use it. And no, that's false. It just opens up this little tiny hole up here, which is really cool because I'm known for never putting lids back on products. So there's this. And then step 2, that was the cleanser. Oh my God. This is the cleanser. Yep, very cute, love. And step 2 is in here, and this is the Fat Water, which is such a funny name. I'm just gonna be quiet about that. But this is her again. Just opened it yesterday, and it opens the same way as the cleanser, and I didn't catch on to that very fast. So this, because it just looks like that's a part of the lid, you know what I mean? Like, but whatever. Okay, so it's not, and you open it, and this feels really, really nice. Like, this feels nice. I like this. But she's here, and she's cute, and yeah, hopefully I don't run out too soon, because $75? That's a lot. This is upside down. This is moisturizer. Again, it screws to open the lid at the top. Oh, let me try that again. Oh, let me use 2 hands. Okay. It just twists at the top, and it's a pump. I thought it was a spray. I don't know why I thought it was a spray, but it's a pump. So some of that got wasted yesterday because I tried to spray it, and it's not a mist, and it just kind of fell on the floor. So that's nice. They're all really, really cute. My hands are small. I can't hold them all at one time. Okay. Can I get this one in here? Oh, no. Okay, 2 hands. This is all of them. Ooh, very cute. Ooh. Then it came with extras, and you get this really teeny tiny mascara. That is so cute. I've never used her mascaras before. This is my first time opening it. And oh wow. Oh, okay. Let's try to do this without dropping it or squeezing it. Okay. So, ooh, this is the mascara. That's cool. I would have definitely thought it was a squeeze product if it didn't say mascara. But here we are. Really, ooh, my hand's shaking. Really love this brush. Ooh, it's like flat, but then not. I like that. Okay. And that is the mascara. And we got a compact mirror. Oh, she's shiny. So we got this mirror, and I mean, it's just a mirror, but this is a really cute case for the mirror. If I can open it, I can't do anything. Oh, okay. So this is the mirror. A regular mirror and then a zoomed in mirror, which will come in handy for sure. Try not to show my room because it's literally a mess. But yeah, this is really cute. Whoop. And then of course, the bag. I love this. I love this kind of like nude pink thing, whatever you want to call it, from like the launch collection. Super cute. But there's that, and that's everything that I got.